The Rodrigues Solitaire was the closest relative to the dodo and unfortunately suffered the same fate and became extinct. It was unique to the island of Rodrigues east of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean, which was home to the dodo. Like its more well-known relative, it was a large flightless bird about the size of a swan. It was first recorded as an undiscovered bird by French sailors that arrived on Rodrigues in the late 1600s. Like the dodo, it laid only one egg at a time, ate fruits, and were monogamous. Although similar, it did differ in some ways. It was more slender and taller, with a smaller skull and beak. In 1726, Julien Tafferet wrote, "They have their toes furnished with hard scales, and run with quickness, mostly among the rocks, where a man, however agile, can hardly catch them." At the time, the island of Rodrigues was completely covered in forest, very little of which remains today due to deforestation. The bird became extinct sometime in the mid-1700s, but the exact year is not known. In 1755, a French engineer attempted to find a live specimen, after being reassured there was still some alive in remote parts of the island. However, after searching for 18 months and offering large rewards for one to be found, no one was able to find one, and the island is only 104 square kilometers or 40 square miles. So why did it become extinct? Imported cats and pigs preyed on the eggs of this ground-laying bird. Humans hunted them, and a lot of its forest habitat was cleared. Sadly, it was not the only bird endemic to the island that became extinct. The Rodrigues rail, the Rodrigues parrot, Newton's parakeet, the Rodrigues starling, the Rodrigues owl, the Rodrigues night heron, and the Rodrigues pigeon also became extinct and now no longer exist on planet Earth. Hi, this is Nick from Planet Report. Thanks for listening, and if you'd like to be notified when new videos are added, please subscribe to the channel.